All right. So the session is again getting recorded, and this time we are here for addition of integers. Look, I'll tell you one story. Just attentive, all of you. Just attentive. You bring your attention. If you get the story right, you will understand addition of integers.
Okay,
And
sir.
multiplication and division and subtraction too. So you all know Akbar, all of you. The students who are attending my classes, they already know about this story. But you know Akbar. And in Akbar's court, there used to be one smart guy called Birbal. In his court, there was one smart guy called Birbal. Who has not heard of Akbar and Birbal? You are all good?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, one day, one guy called
Where
Shanky.
are
What was his
the
name, folks? Shanky. Yes, good. You have read the story of Akbar and Birbal. Shanky is our new character here, okay? One day, Shanky went to the king and he said, "Hey, king, I work so hard, just like Birbal, but my salary is not so high as Birbal. You're getting what grievance Shanky has? What is Shanky's grievance? He says he
Yes,
works
sir.
so hard, just like Akbar, but he doesn't get as much salary as Birbal." Then Akbar says, "All right, let us do something." So in the neighborhood, there was one guy by name Bodhu. What was his name, folks? Bodhu. He had a dog.
Bodhi.
He had a dog. Hey, it looks like it's looking like a cow, but it is a dog. Okay, this is a dog. The dog gave birth to puppies. Dog gives birth to cubs or puppies? Puppies. So Bodhu's dog. Its name was Bruno. We are not interested in Bodhu. We are interested in Bruno. Bruno's dog gave birth to some puppies. You are getting this story, folks. In the neighborhood, in the same kingdom, one dog, Bruno, gave birth to puppies. So Akbar asked both Birbal and Shanky to go separately and get details about the puppies that Bruno had given birth to. Anyone who has missed the story so far? Online
No,
folks,
sir.
you're good with the story? You're good with the story. All right. So Akbar asked both Birbal and Shanky to go to this house, that guy's house, where Bruno had given birth to puppies and get all the details about the puppies. So when these guys came back to Birbal, they presented him their stories. Shanky said,
Sir,
Shanky,
Akbar, sir.
he said that
Akbar.
Bruno,
Akbar. You came back to
no,
Akbar.
Shanky, no, Shanky.
Sir,
Akbar
came
had sent
to
these two
Akbar,
guys
sir.
to find out information about. So Shanky and Birbal now went to Akbar to tell them the story, the information that they collected. So Shanky went to Akbar and he said that this dog Bruno had given birth to 9 puppies. 9 puppies. Yes, dogs give birth to a lot of puppies. 9 puppies. This is all. So Akbar said, "Do you have any other information?" Shanky said, "No, sir. 9 puppies. That's all." Akbar said, "Very good." Now he called Birbal. Who did he call next? Birbal. So Birbal came and told this detail. He said 9 puppies, 4 were white, 3 black, and 2 brown. What do you understand from this story, folks?
We should give detailed information. Never judge
Hey,
people.
turn your videos off, folks. Turn your videos off. Yes, thank you.
Sir, for any
Yes, so
problem, we should
now
give
what
detailed
was
information.
we should give detailed information. The fact that Birbal gave detailed information and Shanky did not give detailed information, Akbar then told Shanky that, "Look, I gave both of you, Birbal and Shanky, the same assignment to get details about the puppies, but Birbal has given me much more information. Birbal is smarter. That's why he gets more salary." Does that make sense, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So we will use this story in integers. How, sir? You will see shortly.
We should give more.
So just remember the names. Akbar is the king. Akbar is the king. We don't have to remember Akbar. We don't have to remember Bruno or puppies. This was just a story to find out details about who is smart and who is not. We don't have to remember 9 puppies. We don't have to remember brown, white, black. All we need to remember is Birbal is smart. Birbal is smart. And
Shanky is
Shanky
not
is
smart.
not so smart. Clear? This is all that we remember. We don't have to remember everything else. Yes, all of you.
Yes,
Perfect.
sir.
Let's start. Now, so this is one. Let's see how it works. When it comes to two numbers with the same sign, when it comes to two numbers with the same sign, we add them. We add them. Okay. So we add them. So when we have 3 plus 4, that comes to 7. And if it is minus 3 and minus 4, again we should add them because they are of the same sign, 7. Hold on, hold on. So this is what Shanky would do. All that he knows is that when the numbers, just listen to me, listen to me, listen to me. I will come to your questions. Just listen to me. This is very important. When two numbers are of the same sign, we have got to add them. This is what was told to both Shanky and Birbal. Shanky is not so smart, so he only adds them. He doesn't look at the sign. Yes. So in both the cases, Shanky, because he saw that the two numbers were the same sign, he added them. So this is, who does this, folks? This has been done by Shanky. Now Akbar calls Birbal because Akbar knows that Birbal is smart. He says, hey, Shanky has done some addition. Shanky is a nice guy. He has done some addition, but you need to check if Shanky has done it right or not. So he says that this is right, but this is wrong. Can somebody tell me why?
Sir, because if you like add two negative numbers, you have to keep negative sign. Yes, sir. Sir, you have to keep negative sign. Sir, because
Okay. So, right.
greater sign.
Good. So now I'll tell you a trick by which you will never forget. Yes, I get you. You people are smart. You people know, many of you know the answers. That's very good. For those who know and those who don't know, remember this way. You'll never forget. When two numbers are of the same sign, we do what Shanky did. Shanky did not do wrong. He just did incomplete. Even when he got 9 puppies information, he did not do anything wrong, right? He did right, but it was incomplete. Birbal, what did he do? He completed that information. Even here, Shanky has not done anything wrong, but this is incomplete. Now, between 3 and 4, which one is the larger number, folks? No, I'm not asking you minus. Between 3 and 4, which one is larger? 4 is larger. You just have to put the sign of the larger number here. I will understand. I will get you again. Minus 5 plus 2.
Minus 5 is bigger.
In this case, again,
minus
yeah.
3,
So
sir.
first thing, the
5
first
is
thing that we
larger
do,
than 2.
the first thing, no, hold on. The first thing that we do, hold on. The first thing that we do is when two numbers are not of the same sign, when two numbers are of the same sign, we add them and then look into the sign. When two numbers are not of the same sign, don't worry what sign it will get, but we subtract the two. So the difference of 5 and 2 is how much? 5 minus 2 is how much? 3, right? 3.
3.
This is what Shanky would do. Because Shanky only knows, just hold on, hold on, hold on. Shanky only knows that when two numbers are of the different signs, we've got to subtract. So Shanky does this. When Birbal comes and reviews, he says, hey, the larger number 5 has what sign? Minus. So the sign of the larger number is put there. Now I'll ask you this. 7 minus 5. Shanky does it too. Because there is a difference. Two numbers are of different sign. Birbal comes and he reviews. He says, which is the larger number? 7. What sign does 7 have? Plus. So this is plus. Is that absolutely clear, all of you? How we do integer addition?
Sir,
and
I have a
subtraction.
doubt, sir.
So with this, I will ask you, yes.
Sir, sir, for 7 minus 5 is equals to 2, right, sir? In exam, if they give the
Yes.
same problem and ask to write, even if we write 2, it is also correct, sir. Instead
Correct.
of
When there is a plus, we don't need to write here. Not, yeah, so that's right. See here, 3 means plus 3. We don't write plus if it is the first number. Here for plus 2, we don't write plus 2. It's just 2 that we write, right? So with this understanding, very quickly, folks, I'm also going to explain this to you on a number line. But for now, very quickly, I will ask you a few questions. Let us do these additions. So quickly note as I'm noting 7 minus 13, B 6 plus 5, C minus 7 plus 13, D minus 21 plus 23, E minus 0 plus 75, F
sir, you're writing so fast.
36 minus 43. No, I'm not writing anything. You're just copying. You can just copy. I'm writing only the problems now. We will do the solutions together.
Sir, could you move, sir? Sir, could you move, sir?
I will move. I will move. I will write all the things and I will move. Then you can
Sir, minus
take
0
your
is
time
not
and
there, right, sir?
Yes, sir.
no,
Minus
Then you wrote
I'm
minus
not
0.
asking you for the solutions yet. That's okay. Everything is right. There's nothing wrong that I have written. Just copy everything that I have written. We'll discuss.
Sir. Sir, can you move?
Yeah, I'll move. I'll move. Let me write. You can now take your time and you can write all the questions. I don't want anyone to start telling answers. We know that you know, but we are looking at some smart ways of doing it, right? Yes.
Sir, how 0 would we have with the minus 7?
That's okay. No, minus 0 and plus 0, it doesn't make any difference. Minus 0 is same as plus 0. Hey, if you're confused, just remove
0
this minus.
doesn't have any
There is nothing
value.
called minus or plus 0. 0 means 0. 0 doesn't have any value. So plus or minus, how does it matter? Doesn't matter. Everyone done copying?
No, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes,
Sir, I'm
sir.
in the queue, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. All right, let's start.
Yes, sir.
Let's start. It's going to be a very interesting exercise, folks. I don't want you people to overshoot. Just tell what I am asking. Don't say anything. So this is a game that we are playing. Anybody who answers more than what I ask, he's out of the game. Yes? So you have got to answer only what I am asking. So whenever we do integer addition or subtraction, there are two guys who do it. Who is the first guy? Shanky or Birbal? Shanky does it. Shanky does it first. Every time, folks, Shanky will do it first. In your head, there are two guys, Shanky and Birbal.
Birbal.
When we are doing it in exam, we can't be Shanky or Birbal. We have to be both, right? But Shanky does it first. So what has Shanky learned about addition? If two numbers have the same sign, what do? They add. And if two numbers have different signs, they subtract. So let us do that first. In this case, the two numbers. Hey, is it confusing? 7
Sir,
minus
minus
13.
6.
Do the two numbers have same sign or different signs?
Different.
Different
Out.
sign.
You are out. Whoever said minus 6 is out. Out of the game. Out of the game. What did I ask you? You are only required to answer what I'm asking. Don't give answers. So between 7 and minus 13, my question is, do the two numbers have same sign or different signs?
Different sign.
Different signs. If the numbers are different, of different signs, so we must do a plus or a minus.
Minus.
We have to do a minus. Don't worry about which one is larger, which one is smaller. Difference of 13 and 7. We're not considering the sign. It is 6. Just do the larger number minus the smaller number. That's okay. In the first step, we are doing Shanky's. This is Shanky's turn now. You only write the difference. I don't want minus anywhere. Now, between 6 and 5, they are of the same sign. So if they are of the same sign, what does Shanky do or anybody
Addition.
does? We add. So this is 11. Hey, in the first iteration, we are only going to do Shanky's steps, mind you. We are only going to do Shanky's step. Birbal will come to check later. Is that clear, all of you? So we
Yes,
are
sir.
only doing Shanky's step. Minus 7 plus 13. Again, the two numbers have different signs. So just subtract. 13 minus 7, 6. Minus 21 plus 23. What should we do, folks? Plus or minus? We should do
Sir,
minus,
minus.
and 23 minus 21 is 2. 70. If you add 0 to anything, it doesn't matter. 75. In this case, two numbers have different signs. 7. Can you people quickly tell me just the differences of these? G, H, I, J, K, L, all of you. Yes, how much will this be? Let's see who does it fast.
Sir, 12, sir. 12. 12. Sir, 12.
So 12.
12. This one?
12.
12.
Sir, 2.
This one?
2. 2. Sir,
Don't say minus. Don't say minus. You're out of the game, Gehan. No minus here. We're only doing plus. So the difference of two numbers is 2. In this case, they are of the same sign. So what does Shanky do?
Sir, 20.
He adds them. He adds them. 12 and 17 will be 29. These two numbers are
Sir,
the
18.
same sign means sum. Same sum. Same
Sir,
sum.
18.
Remember this same sum,
18.
same sign is sum. So this is 18. This one is also of the same. Now, this is the assignment that Shanky did, and he submits this to the king. Hold on now. I will complete this and then
Sir,
I'll
how
take your
is the
questions.
last one
This
18?
is the assignment that Shanky does.
Sir, how is the last one
13 plus 5 is how much? This is plus, this is plus. Hey, they
Sir,
are
minus?
13 plus 5 is how much?
Sir, mine?
They are
Okay,
both of the same sign. No, who told you minus? They're both plus, no.
Yes, sir.
If nothing is written, that means it's plus, right? 13 and 5,
Yes, sir.
18. Okay. So my question to you is, no, not my question. I'm just telling you that from the puppy story, we could make out that Shanky does the things right, but he does not complete it, right? He's a good guy, but he doesn't do things completely. And Akbar knows that very well. So once Shanky has submitted his assignment, what does he do next? What does Akbar do next? He asks Birbal to check it. Making sense, all of you? He asks Birbal to check it. Let's see what Birbal does. In this case, what did I tell you? In all of these cases, look at the larger number. Between 7 and 13, which one is larger?
13.
Ignore the sign.
Which has
Just tell
minus
me what I'm
sign.
asking. Ignore the sign. Between 7 and 13, which one is larger?
13.
I'm asking you something and you people are telling me something. You will not learn this way. Just tell me what I am asking. Between the numbers
13.
7 and 13, which
13.
one is larger?
13.
13. And 13 has what sign? 13 has
Minus.
what sign? Minus.
Minus.
So the minus will be put.
Minus.
Is that clear? Between 6 and 5. Between 6 and 5, which one is larger? 6. And it is plus. So we let it be plus. Minus 7 and 13. Between these two, which one is larger?
Sir, 13. 13.
Between 13 and 13 is plus or minus?
Sir, plus. No need of putting anything.
It's plus, right?
Yes,
Plus.
sir.
So this remains plus. Do you know now? Can you very quickly tell me the answers of the remaining the D, E, and F? No, this only D, E, and F. Somebody who talks about this will be out of the game. Just tell me D, E, and
Sir,
F. The signs.
sir,
We have already
could
found the difference or the
Sir,
the
D1
sum.
is
Just tell me
correct.
the sign.
D1 is same. E1 is same.
Is also same.
Minus 7. Minus 7.
Minus 7.
F is minus 7.
Only FS
You
is
all
same.
agree that this will be minus because
Yes,
43
sir.
is the larger number and it has a minus sign. You are
sir.
all good with A, B, C, D, E, F. Wonderful. Now let's look at this. So between 17 and 5, which one is the larger number? You don't have to
17.
say anything else. Just Tell me what
17.
I am asking.
17.
Between 17 and 5. 17 is the
17,
larger number.
17.
And
17,
17
sir.
has what sign?
17, sir.
17 has what
17, sir.
sign?
17.
Positive,
Sir,
right?
he
So this
wants
is
to 17.
positive. Between 17 and 5, it's the same question actually.
Sir,
17,
here
same.
minus.
Here, 20 is the larger number and it has
So it's
minus. In this case, which one is
Sir,
larger?
minus.
17 is
17.
larger.
17.
Minus. Which
Sir,
one
here
is
also
larger?
minus because
13
13 is larger.
minus. Which one is larger? 13 plus. So are
Sir,
you
13,
people
sir, 13.
absolutely
13.
clear about how integer addition is done?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
13 is larger. So this will be plus 18, right? This is because 13 is plus. So I hope by now you all know how we do integer addition. It is Shanky who does it first. Same sign means he will add. Different signs means he will subtract. Then Birbal comes and he reviews and he checks the larger number has what sign. The result will have that sign. Clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Wonderful.
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Done.
Yes, sir.
So after this, I'm going to do for multiplication and division very quickly. That will not take us much time. And then we'll solve a couple of numericals and we'll wind up. I hope you know that this class is up until 10:45. Okay, 9:30 to 10:45. All right. So the next thing that we learn, folks, is are you absolutely good? No confusion here, right, all of you? So this is addition of integers. Now I'm going to very quickly tell you about multiplication of integers. Before that, I'm going to very quickly explain to you why it happens this way. See, if I do a -2, I'll do two additions, 5 minus 2, 2 minus 5, and -3 minus 2. Okay, let us do this on a number line. So I hope you know how to draw number lines, right? We take a 0 here. On the right hand side, we take positive numbers or negative numbers.
Sir, right side positive, left side negative.
Left side
On the
negative.
right hand side, we take
In the
positive.
middle, 0.
Yeah, in the middle it is 0. Very good. You people are smart, guys. I like it. Look at the first one. So when it is +5, where do we start the counting from? We start the counting from 0. I hope you all know that. We start the counting from 0. So if this is +5 or -5, it's +5. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We stop here. And if it is -2, should we go continue towards positive or turn back? Should we take a U-turn? We should go back, right? How many steps? 1, 2. So we reach here. Is it +3 or -3? +3. That's why we get a +3 here. Clear, all of you? This is how we get a +3. Yes. Now look at 2 minus 5. Okay, I'm doing it on this is A. This is A. This is A, B, C. I've done for A. I'm doing for B now. Very quickly, folks. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. This is -1, -2, -3. -4, -5. So we start from 0. Let's look at the first one. So it is 2, +2. 2 means +2. Should we go to the right or to the left from 0? We go 1, 2. We stop here. Then we go -5. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we get -3. So do you see how you can do it on a number line? Go in whichever direction they have asked us to go. So in this case, the C. Can you tell me very quickly how we do this, folks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here it is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Okay, let's see. So it's minus 3. So from 0, should I go to the left or to the right?
Left, sir.
Left side.
I'm looking at the first one, left. So I go 1, 2, 3. I stop and then look for the next one. So it's minus 2. So minus 2 means I must continue going to the left, right? So 1, 2. And that's how I get minus 5. So you will see that how we did in the previous frame, just before I erase the previous one, you will have got the same answer. 5 and 2, they are different signs. 3, larger number, plus, plus. 2 and 5, different signs. So minus, Shanky step, we did a minus. Larger number has minus sign. So Birbal put a minus here. Again, Shanky, same sign, 2 numbers, this is added. Then the larger number has minus, so Birbal put a minus. Don't you see that the number line and the other method give us the same answer? All right. Online folks, you people have gone dull again. I want you people to shout out that you are enjoying
Yes,
or not
sir.
enjoying. It's not good. It's good. I'm understanding.
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Sir, I have been shouting from that time, but I was in the mood, sir.
That's better. Very good. Okay, very good. Very good. Don't
Sir, I was
shout so
shouting
much
from that
that
time.
others around you might get disturbed, but shout enough, okay, so that we are all enjoying the class. All right, so I'm erasing this now, okay?
Okay, sir.
Next is multiplication of integers. Again, in multiplication, the same Shanky and Birbal does it, okay? Do it. Please go on mute, folks. There is some background noise I can hear from someone, some part. Multiplication of integers. So I'll give you some 2 into 3. Minus 4 into 5. This is very easy, folks. Minus 4 into minus 3. D. Minus 2 into 3. E. 5 into 3. F. Minus 2 into minus 6. G. 2 into minus 3. And H. Minus 4 into 2. Look again over here. We have Birbal and Shanky. Please go on mute. Somebody is not on mute and there's a lot of noise coming, folks. Please go on mute. I'm not continuing unless you people go on mute.
Or someone is on video
All
mode.
right. Again, somebody has gone on unmute. Hey, somebody has again turned his video on.
Sir, I can't see you. Sir.
Go turn your video off, folks. Turn your video off. Hey, turn your video off. Somebody has turned his video on. Just turn him. Are you people able to see the board all right, all of you?
Yes, sir. Sir, copying questions.
Folks, can you people see the board all right?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Look. Okay, now, again, we are talking about multiger. We talked about addition. We are talking about multiplication now. So again, Birbal and Shanky first. So what Shanky does is Shanky doesn't bother about the signs, right? Even when he was doing addition and subtraction, if the two numbers had the same sign, he would add. If the two numbers were of different signs, he would
Sir,
subtract.
but now
He
he
doesn't
just
bother about
multiplies.
the
Sir.
signs. Even here, he does the same. Whenever it is multiplication. Now, the first thing that Shanky does is he simply multiplies. 2 into 3 is how much? 6. 4 into 5 is how much? 20. 4 into 3 is how much? 12. 2 into 3 is 6. 5 into 3, 15. 2 into 6, 12. 2 into 3, 6. 4 into 2, 8. Who has done this? Shanky has done this. Yes.
Yeah,
Why does he do this? He does it quickly, but he does it quickly, but he doesn't care about the signs. Yes. He doesn't care about colors. He doesn't care about science. That's why he just told 9 puppies. He didn't say brown, blue, and all. Now Birbal comes. Again, here, if it is the same sign, the rule is a little different here. If both have the same sign, remember it this way. Same means sum. Different means difference. Sum means plus, difference means minus. Hey, I'm writing the rule here. It means difference. Difference is what? Minus, right? So now both the numbers have the same sign. So it will be plus. The numbers have different signs. So it's minus. Both the numbers have the same sign. So it's going to be plus. Different sign, minus. Now tell me, how about this? These two have the same sign. So it will be sum, plus. Minus 2 and minus 6. Will it be plus 12 or minus 12? Plus 12. 2 into minus 3? Minus 6. And minus 4 into 2? Minus 8. The same rule applies to division as well. So if Shanky is doing, let's do one or two of them. A, 10 divided by 5. B, minus 10 divided by 2.
But the heading should be division of integers.
Minus 3. Let's do these three. So in this case,
Sir, we should write
division
division of
I'm just
integers.
doing it quickly so that, because the same rule anyway, you will do it. You can do understand. Yeah, division of integers. Let me just complete this and you can write all together. 10 divided by 5. What does Shanky do? He only looks at the number. He doesn't look at the sign. So 10 divided by 5 is 2. 10 divided by 2 will be 5. And 6 divided by 3 will be 2. Now Birbal does what? Same sign, sum. Different signs, minus. Same sign, plus. This is how we do division and multiplication. The same rules apply for both multiplication and division. We have learned a lot of things. Now I'm going to do
Sir,
one or
minute
two
left.
sums and we'll wind up. Yeah, sure. I'll give you a couple of sums, folks, and you can very quickly do that and then I will solve, okay? Done copying.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now we can show us the problems.
Yes, sir, done.
All right, shall I erase everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we'll solve. We have 5 minutes. We'll not go beyond 9, 10, 40. We'll start on time and we end on time, right? So we will do in 5 minutes, we'll probably do 2 questions. Okay, we have already solved a number of examples. These are
Sir, we
very
can do
pathetic.
5 questions in 5
Now,
minutes. So it's easy.
I will give you some sums based on the. Can we do? Okay, let's see if we can do. Great. I like that spirit. That's really good.
Sir, we can do 5
Let's
problems,
do it
sir.
very, very quickly, folks. We don't have a lot of time, so let's do it very quickly.
Okay,
This is from
sir.
exercise 1. Okay, this is from exercise 1.2, class 7 NCERT book. 1, find each of the following. So I will give you C, minus 21 into minus 30. Let's see if we are able to do this.
Sir, the second one is J. Sir, the second one is J or G.
J. 1 C and 1 J.
Sir, I have the textbook.
J for Jack. Okay, good.
I have the same textbook. Sir, 1 minute, sir. The board is blurred.
Yeah, so first one, it's a very easy one, folks. How much is the answer?
Sir, the second one is distributive property.
Okay. No, just don't know distributive property. There is no distributive property. Just Multiply, no, just multiply all. Just multiply these two first and multiply these two first and then multiply both of them. That's the answer, no? I'm going to solve now, okay? So question number 1C. Hey, let's just do it this way. Minus 21 into minus 30. What does Shanky do over here, folks?
He just
What does Shanky
multiplies.
do? He doesn't consider the signs or the color of the puppies, right? He
Yes,
just
sir.
multiplies. So you have got to multiply 21 into 30. I hope you can do this multiplication. You will get 630. Have you got 630? So he does 630. Now, if it is the same sign, then it is a sum sign. Same means sum. In multiplication, same means sum plus. That's the answer, is it not?
Yes, sir. That's the answer.
Shank is correct. Yeah, sometimes he's correct. J.
Sir,
Minus
it's like
3
division, sir. Sometimes it's
minus
correct,
6
and sometimes
into
it's not.
minus 2 into minus 1.
Sir, Shanky is like division, sir. Sometimes it's
Right,
correct,
right.
sometimes it's
Shanky is a
not.
little of a fluke. Shanky is a little of a fluke. Right. That's very good. That's a very, very good comparison. Look, when you are multiplying 2 into 1 into 4 into 3, what do? We do 2 and we group this together and write 12. And the answer is 24, right? That's exactly how we'll do here. Let's multiply these two first.
18.
Shanky will do it what? 18. And because they are of the same sign, it's a plus. So he is correct.
Yes, sir.
2 and 1 is
Into
2. Shanky does it 2. And once again, he is correct because it's the same sign. 18
Yes,
into
sir.
2 is 36 is the answer, is it not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So now I'll give you one question, folks. I'll give you one question very quickly, 1 minute solution. You're writing one exam where correct answer gives you +3 and incorrect answer gives you -2. You're clear about what the rule of the game is? You
Yes, sir.
attempt 20 questions, attempted. You got 12 correct and 8 wrong. Can you tell me the final score? Whoever does this first will get a gift from me. I will note down his name and address and I will send you the gift.
Sir, I did not understand, sir. Can you tell me the question? Sir, the answer is 36.
The answer 20.
Sir, 36, sir. I told first. The answer is 36.
20 questions.
Sir, what is the question, sir?
No, it's not 36. You're only
Sir,
20,
considering
sir, 20,
answer.
sir, 20.
Hey, there are 20 questions. Hold on. Understand the question. 20 is the total number of questions. For every correct answer, you get +3. And for every incorrect answer, you get -2. You got 12 correct answers and 8 incorrect answers. So what is your total score is the question.
Sir, is the answer 20?
Who said 20? I heard you, Gahan. Who said 20?
Sir,
Yes,
Vihan.
I heard somebody say one girl, I think, said 20 first. I don't know if it was a
No,
boy.
sir, no, I
Who
am
said
Vihan.
20?
Sir,
Yes.
Vihan.
Sir, now just.
What? Vihan. Okay, who else told 20? Vihan, who else?
Sir, I told.
Ria. Okay. Okay.
Sir,
Who is
even
that
me,
I?
sir, even I told, sir. Sir, plus 36 minus 16
Who
is
is that
equal to
I?
20. Sir, me, Medha.
So look, now for Medha, huh? Okay. I will get all your names. Look, 12 correct answers means 12 into 3 is
Yes,
equal
sir.
to how much?
36.
36.
36.
8 incorrect means
It is
8
minus 2.
into -2. Yes,
Minus
because it's
16.
getting -2. So 8 into 2 is 16 and this is 16. If you add 36 minus 16, that is 20, right? 20 is the correct answer. So we'll wind up now, folks. Excellent. It was great to have you all. I hope you enjoyed the class. Go through things and you can contact me whenever you have doubts. Okay, all of you. So have a wonderful Saturday and Sunday. Have fun, loads of fun. and then we'll catch up again. Thanks all. Bye bye.
Thank
Have a
you,
wonderful
sir.
day.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir. Have a nice day.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.